Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a quick review here. As you can see, I got a grill mat that I use. I like open wood fire when I'm cooking. I go camping a lot, and these mats are incredible. As you can tell, I got my boys over there playing. We're camping here. Now I got an outside dinette with a stove, my little dog, and I got a kitchen in my camper. You know, I do. Now I don't know, something over a nice hot open wood fire cooking is just amazing. But these little steel grates that are on these campsite stoves are just crap. They're nasty, they're dirty, God knows what's been on them. Yeah, you can heat them up, burn them, and clean them, but here's what I do, guys. I got these little copper mats here that I use, Teflon mats. You can tell they're flexible, they're nice, they're able to handle a lot of heat, and they're just awesome. Look here, they're non-stick. Watch this. Look at this. Look at this. See that? Non-stick. Absolutely non-stick. These things are amazing. Man, I tell you what, I wouldn't camp without them anymore. They're just incredible. They are incredible. I love these things. I don't know where I'd be without them nowadays. These things are incredible. They're easy to clean. They're non-stick. They handle a lot of heat. You can use them multiple times. Like, several times. I'm telling you, I've used one mat like for half a season one time. And the ones I get are these here, guys. Check it out. Copper grill mats. They're pretty awesome. They're a 2-pack. You get for like $9, I think. I think they're by Idea Village. They're amazing. Non-stick, copper infused Teflon pads. They are amazing, you guys. Dishwasher safe, durable and long-lasting premium Teflon. Perfect for grilling, for baking. You can do all kinds of stuff with them. You guys are awesome. I put them in my storage box when I go camping, and that's what I use. I honestly have nothing bad to say about them. I would do a good 5 out of 5 stars on those things. Got some beautiful hamburgers I'm making for my kids and my wife and the girls I got here with me. So, definitely would recommend these things, especially if you do a lot of camping like me and my family do. Look at this. I mean, again, this is non-stick, man. I've been cooking this whole time. Non-stick. They cook even. They help, because they're copper infused, they help distribute the heat. They're just fantastic, man. They're awesome. Oh, there we go. So, you guys should definitely go buy you some. You can get them at Walmart, Dollar General, Menards, Lowe's, lots of places. So, enjoy.